Okay, go ahead and download. This is Module 7, Assignment 6. Go ahead and download Apply Text Effects, open it up, and I will find you on slide 1. Okay, first we're going to display the WordArt Styles gallery. Okay, so first we'll click on this text here. We'll select it so we know what we're changing. We're going to come over here to Shape Format. And this is where our WordArt Styles gallery is. You can go ahead and click this little down arrow. It'll pop this text up for you. Okay, so the first thing we're worried about here is filling white text background to with inner shadow. Okay, so this should be text options. All right. We're going to come click on shadow. We'll click on our presets because this sounds pretty specific. Okay, and then we'll come down here and we'll find perspective, background, inner shadow. Okay, so let's see. Fill 1. And no shadow. We want fill white background. Text fill. White background. You'll come over here. Okay. And then, is that inner shadow? Okay. And then inner shadow. We got that already. Okay. All right. So again, that's selecting the text you want, going on over here into shape. These are all your WordArt styles. You can also do it from right here. You don't have to click out the side menu if you prefer. So it's fill white. Okay, background 1 white. And then outline, effect shadow. Okay. And I just selected inner. These are various. We'll do center here. It doesn't specify, so it's fine, whatever you choose, just so long as it's the inner option. Okay. Now we're going to display slide 5 and come down here. Okay. Slide 5 doesn't have anything in it yet. All right, and we're going to insert a WordArt object. So I'll do insert. We're here to WordArt. All right. Click on the drop down. Gradient fill, gray style. Let's see. I think this is it. There we go. Replace the placeholder text with objective. Author. Okay. Select the WordArt object. Okay. And on text fill menu, click purple accent swatch. Okay. So I'll come to text fill. And by that, they mean this. The purple accent and the swatch is just the color swatch. Okay. Select that. Good deal. Now the outline. Okay. I'm still selected in here in text outline. On the shadow submerged menu. Okay. Is black. All right. And then the effects are shadow. On the submenu, click perspective diagonal upper right. Okay. Down here in perspective. And this is upper right. Okay. All right. Resize the word object to make it smaller. Okay, well, if I do that, it makes it bigger this way. So I will go ahead and maybe decrease the text size. And then as I make it smaller, it should be okay. Okay. And now we're going to rotate the word object so it runs diagonally across the slide from the upper left to the lower left. Okay. I'm going to take that, do this. Okay. Make it a little bit bigger this way. Okay, there we go. Save and submit. Okay. Remember, you got to select into the object. In this case, it's a text WordArt object. Okay. And then you have these format options once you're on the shape that are all available to you here. Okay. Save and submit.